Hey guys, so I was just thinking about to change my t-shirt because I thought like that if I change my t-shirt, so it looks like that I have shooted this video on the another day, but another time I thought about that I don't care about t-shirt, I don't care about background, I just have to practice English in front of camera. That's why I'm shooting this video without any professional t-shirt, without any professional shirt, without any professional setup, without anything. I have to just practice every day in front of camera, loudly and clearly. I don't call it clearly, but I have to practice every day because I learn from anything. I learn from many YouTubers, and I learn from almost every YouTuber code that if you want to improve your English communication, you need to practice every day. You have to practice every day. You have to practice English speaking every day. Oh, that's good. That's good, bro. Yeah. So every YouTubers just thought that you have to practice every day, like spoken English, and just break them into words, break them into sentences. It doesn't matter how you speak, what you speak, just practice every day. The matter is just practice every day. One day you will be able to fluent in English. So that's why I'm practicing every day, and I'm not watching any script. I'm not here to tell you anything, I'm not here to teach you anything, I'm not here to give you any advice, I'm not watching any script, I'm not talking to follow a script. I'm just talking to a raw person. I'm just talking like a raw person, like a normal Hindi person, how he will be fluent in English in front of camera. That's why I'm shooting this video, to tell you that if you want to be a fluent in English, that you have to follow this process. When I will learn English, then I will told you that how I learn English, which steps I followed. Perfect. So let me tell you that story. Why actually the reason why I'm learning this language. I take serious to learn this language because, as I told you before, there is my friend. Okay, okay, sorry, there is my friend. I have just a one friend. I have just one to two friend. I have one friend is in which is in, I think, 12th. Yeah, which is in 12th class. When we talked each other, so we talked in Hindi because he didn't know how to speak in English, and also I didn't know how to speak in English. So we talked in Hindi. So I saw lots of people in the India in the India. I saw lots of people in the India. When we are speak we are speak in front of any people in the India in English, they they think like, bro, what do you say? What are you saying? I didn't understand. Please please speak in Hindi. So I decided to learn English. That's why, because I want to be a professional English learner. I want to be a professional English professional. I want to communicate like a professional, and I want to teach English to Indian audience, to Indian children. And it's not my dream. It's just a thinking. If I learn English, so I will teach you. If I don't, so I will not. If I learn English, so I will teach you that thing which I followed. So yeah, you just think about that. As i talked as I talked as I am talking in English, you just think about that. I'm a fluent English speaker? No, I am not. So if I will learn English, so I can tell you the exact step that how I learn English without burning their money, right? So I learned English. I'm learning English without any investing. Basically, actually, there is two things. First is people didn't value people didn't value for free things. Second thing, they valued when they paid for that thing, because many people charges courses, many people sell their courses, and I thought that they are right, because Indian peoples are not valuing the free things. Not the Indian people, it's a human psychology that humans are not the value for the free thing. So it's a good thing. And now you are thinking, now you thought about, now you will thought about that, why I'm not investing in English course, why I'm not investing in English speaking XYZ. See, I can, I can, but I want to give my best 100% first. First, I want to give my 100%. If I if I am not able to learn English to give my 100%, while give my 100%, then I will invest in some courses, I will invest in some mentorship, I will invest something. So I'm just giving my 100%, and I just want to see how results come. So that's why I'm talking in front of camera every day, and today I have shooted 2 videos in front of camera. As I told you before that I have just cut this video in 2 parts. I'm just cutting this video in 2 parts. So I think I use I use very much to I used very much, I think, and it's perfect, bro. I don't care what people think about me. I don't care what audience think about me. I just need to focusing on my English practice. I just need to tell you my story. I'm just here to tell you my story. I'm just here to practice my English speaking, and I think today I practiced at least 45 minute, minimum 45 minute, and it's upon on that. So I'm just here to practice every day. As I told you before, I'm a performance marketer and I run a marketing agency. I have multiple clients, but every clients are Indian, so I need some international clients. But I need to talk. Why? But here is the problem where I can't able to talk in English, so that's why I'm learning this English language, and I thought that I am improving, because bro, listen, I have no teacher, I have no one to tell me that these are the steps, these are the first steps you should follow, these are the first step you should try, these are the mistakes you should avoid. I have nothing. Have I I have to research from myself. I have to find out mistakes from myself. I have to improve my mistakes from myself. So that's why I'm learning this language free while giving my 100%. So let's close this video here, and I have to go to a lunch. I have to go to lunch because I am so hungry. So let's close this video and let's meet on another video. Bye bye.